Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical tutorial: how to transfer BNB from Uphold to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're looking to move your Binance coin for trading, staking, or just better security, this guide is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with some BNB in it and the Phantom wallet app installed on your device. Phantom is great for handling various cryptocurrencies, including BNB via the Binance Smart Chain. If you haven't already, download Phantom from your App Store and create or import your wallet. Step 1. Open your Uphold app and log in. Navigate to your BNB balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Once you're there, select the Withdraw option. This might say Send or Withdraw, depending on the app version in 2025. But it's straightforward. Next, you'll need to choose the right network. For BNB, select the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, to ensure compatibility with Phantom. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet. Go to the Receive section, select BNB, and copy your wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Head back to Uphold, paste that address into the withdrawal form, and review the details. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Once you approve it, the transaction will start processing. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this might only take a few minutes. After that, keep an eye on your Phantom wallet. Refresh it, and you should see your BNB arrive. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. A quick tip: always verify network compatibility to prevent lost funds. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Uphold to Phantom. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.